Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page for digital products in System. EO. First, log into your System. EO account. Navigate to the Funnels section from the main dashboard. Click Create to start a new funnel, giving it a clear, descriptive name. Choose the custom funnel type for maximum flexibility. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your digital product offerings efficiently and ensuring a smooth user experience from the very beginning. Now let's dive into designing your page. After creating your funnel, select Add Step and choose Squeeze Page or Sales Page as your step type. Then, pick a template or begin with a blank canvas. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add sections, rows, and elements. Focus on a clean layout with clear calls to action. Remember, a well-structured page guides your visitors effortlessly towards conversion, making their journey straightforward and engaging. Compelling content is key to converting visitors. Your headline should grab attention within 3 seconds. Use bullet points to highlight key benefits, not just features of your digital product. Ensure your product images or videos are professional and showcase value. The call to action button, perhaps saying get instant access or download now, should be a contrasting color and placed above the fold for maximum visibility. Aim for one primary call to action. Before launching, optimize your page for success. Connect your landing page to an email list and an automation rule to deliver your digital product or follow up. Preview your page on desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure it looks perfect on all screen sizes. Finally, save your changes and publish your page. Monitor its performance using the built-in analytics to make data-driven improvements, aiming for a conversion rate of at least 2 to 5%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.